Hey and welcome to Alpha One. So I have now just had a live stream where I'm trading binary option on Pocket Option. And do you know what? You can trade together with me. I did that in Discord. You find the link below the video so you can join me on the next live stream. I only trade every Saturday for this broker, but Discord I'm planning to do more going forward. So when I start to get more people following me, today actually we had quite a lot. So when you start to get a little more, I will start to trade every single day on Discord for this broker. So another thing you need to do, and this is very important, before we get to the result of this session, make sure if you have account with Pocket Option from before, make sure you close it down. I will get to why after. Close it down, withdraw your money of course, and reopen with my link. I give you 60% of my affiliate com back to you. That means every single time you do a trade, you get cashback. Okay? And this cashback you get every single Monday. This is as long, of course, that I meet the criterion of a withdraw from Pocket Option. If one Monday I don't get it, everything you earn it as cashback, you will continue earning, and then next Monday again, you will get your money. Works that way, okay? So, also, if you deposit more than $100, you get 50% extra. So that's something you also need to consider when you make your first time deposit. Okay, now let's go into how we did today. We can go to closed trades, so you can see the trades here. Now, for the purpose of the video, I did show them how you can cancel one trade. So yes, I did cancel one trade here. So it's not 100% correct what you see here now. We had 7 trades. So I had another $100 trade I did cancel in my live stream. So we had 7 trades and we won 5 of them. So if we now go into here now, I think the profit was 425, okay? But as I did cancel one trade, because you see here we have the option to cancel, I wanted to show that for the people that was following in the live stream, that you have an option to cancel. So my profit was 425, not 525. So my win rate was like 70%. But that's pretty, 71 I think was the win rate. So it's pretty darn good. And I always say my win rate is between 70 and 80%. So we have a very high win rate when you're trading. If someone come and tell you that 100% win rate, that is bullshit. No one have a 100% win rate. But I have 70 to 80%. That is where I lay around. So you are making money that way. So if this is something that you find interesting, if you want to make money together with me, I am the only YouTuber that trade live every single day. Okay, I trade live in YouTube Monday to Friday, and I trade live at Pocket Option on Discord every single Saturday. Okay, I don't trade Sundays. I need to have one day to relax, but show me some other YouTubers that do that. And when I trade live for 1 hour, and I try to get as many trades I can within that live session. Today we just got 7 trades, so take it where it is. Typically, sometimes I can up to 30. I think the record in a day is 30 trades. So make sure you join my Discord. Make sure you open with my link below the video for this broker, and let's make some money together. So if this is interesting for you, jump on it and I will help you so you can start to make money also with binary option. Have an amazing day.